Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready.
How much money do you have? How much money do you have?
I have $10. I have $10.
Who do you want to talk to? Who do you want to talk to?
I want to talk to Richika. I want to talk to Richika.
What do you want to say to Sarah? What do you want to say to Sarah?
I want to tell her something. I want to tell her something.
When will she come? When will she come?
She will come in 10 minutes. She will come in 10 minutes.
Are you afraid? Are you afraid?
No, I am not afraid. No, I am not afraid.
Are you American? Are you American?
No, I am not American. No, I am not American.
Are you allergic to anything? Are you allergic to anything?
No, I am not allergic. No, I am not allergic.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry. Yes, I am hungry.
How are you? How are you?
I am good. I am good.
Are you sick? Are you sick?
No, I am not sick. No, I am not sick.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure. Yes, I am sure.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English.
Do you take credit cards? Do you take credit cards?
Sorry, we only accept cash. Sorry, we only accept cash.
Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand.
How is she? How is she?
She is pretty. She is pretty.
How much are they earning? How much are they earning?
They are earning $10. They are earning $10.
How much does this cost? How much does this cost?
This costs $20. This costs $20.
How does it taste? How does it taste?
It tastes delicious. It tastes delicious.
Are you busy? Are you busy?
Yes, I have a lot of things to do. Yes, I have a lot of things to do.
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher. I am a teacher.
How much money do you have? How much money do you have?
I have no money. I have no money.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 24 years old. I am 24 years old.
How tall are you? How tall are you?
I am 6 feet tall. I am 6 feet tall.
What does he do for work? What does he do for work?
He is a doctor. He is a doctor.
What time is it? What time is it?
It is 10:15. It is 10:15.
What time is checkout? What time is checkout?
The checkout time is 11:30. The checkout time is 11:30.
Where is the closest restaurant? Where is the closest restaurant?
There is a restaurant over there. There is a restaurant over there.
Is this restaurant good? Is this restaurant good?
I don't think it is good. I don't think it is good.
When are you leaving? When are you leaving?
I am leaving tomorrow. I am leaving tomorrow.
Where is the ATM? Where is the ATM?
The ATM is behind the bank. The ATM is behind the bank.
Where is the pharmacy? Where is the pharmacy?
The pharmacy is near the supermarket. The pharmacy is near the supermarket.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday is August 21st. My birthday is August 21st.